Very good morning, students. Welcome to your accountancy class. Students, today I will teach you the topic petty cash book. So this is the another part of cash book. Okay. So in petty cash book, student, small payment relating to expenses are recorded. So as you know, student, in a business organization, number of payments are there. Number of expenses are incurred by the business organization in a day, in a week, in a month. Okay, so it was very difficult to record all these small expenses in a cash book. Okay, so for this reason a petty cash book is introduced. Okay, so in petty cash book all small payment of expenses are recorded. So example of these expenses are postage and stationery, carriage and cartage, conveyance, stationery, entertainment, etc. So it is not advisable to record all these transactions into cash book, otherwise clerical work will be increased. Therefore, in order to record all such petty expenses, a person is appointed to whom we call petty cashier. Okay, so petty cashier is appointed who makes small payments and enter them in cash book, that is petty cash book. We entered all these transactions in petty cash book. Next, the important term which we are studying while we are reading petty cash book is impressed system of petty cash book. So under this system, student, the petty cashier is given a fixed sum of money in the beginning. Okay, so as we did that, petty cashier is appointed who makes small payment. So for making small payment, first of all, a sum amount is given to him, is handed over to him in the beginning of month or beginning of week, we can say that. Okay, so the amount which is given to the petty cashier is called impressed cash. Impressed cash, he is asked to make payment out of it. Okay, so now at the end of the month or a week, the actual amount spent by him is checked from the vouchers by the head cashier. So head cashier check that how much amount he spent on the small payment or on petty expenses. The petty cashier is again given an amount equal to the amount spent by him so that he make further payment. So all this, that is, first of all cash is given to the petty cashier, after that the head cashier check the amount, and again the amount is given to the petty cashier to incur the further expenses. So this system is called impressed system, and the amount which is handed over to the petty cashier is called impressed cash. I hope it is clear to you. Next is students, method of preparing cash book. So there are two methods, simple petty cash book and analytical petty cash book. So simple petty cash book, so students, the performer of simple petty cash book is similar to cash book or account, we can say that. So in this, left hand side is credit side, left hand side is debit side and right hand side is credit side. So in this, student, the amount which is given to the petty cashier in the starting of a month, that amount is recorded on the debit side of petty cash book, and the expenses which are incurred by the petty cashier throughout the month or throughout the week are recorded on credit side. I repeat, the performer of simple petty cash book is similar to cash book. Left hand side is called debit side, right hand side is called credit side. The amount which is given in the beginning of a month to the petty cashier is recorded on the debit side. Okay, and the amount which is spent by the petty cashier for payment of expenses is recorded on credit side. Clear? Next is analytical petty cash book. So in this, separate column are prepared for particular expense. So particular expense means a different column maintained for stationery, different column for office expense, different column for postage and telegram. Okay, so different column are prepared for particular expense. So those expense that are not entered in any separate column are recorded under sundry expense. Okay, so if any expense is there for particular name is not given, that expense is recorded in sundry expenses. Clear, students? So I repeat, in analytical petty cash book, separate column are prepared for particular expenses. Petty cash book. So as you know, students, as I told you earlier, that the head cashier advance petty cashier, okay, impressed amount either by cash or either by check. Okay, so the amount which is handed over to the petty cashier in the starting of a month or a week, to that we call impressed cash. So that impressed cash is maybe given in form of cash or by issuing a check. Okay, so if the amount is issued, amount is given to him in form of cash, so at that time in particular column we write to cash account and we write the amount on the amount received column. Okay, if amount is given like rupees 5,000. Okay, if amount is given to him by issuing a check, so at that time we write here to bank account. In place of cash we write here to bank account. After that, next column, this is shows total payment, analysis of payments. So in this further analysis of payment column is further divided into postage, printing, cartage, coolie, sundry expenses and remarks. So in this analytical petty cash book, different separate columns are maintained for particular expenses. So whenever in question is given is that the name of particular expenses, first of all you write here by expense, particular expense. If particular expense is postage, you write here by postage account and post the amount on postage column. Like if postage is paid for rupees 45, so first of all you write on the postage column. After that you also write that amount in total payment column. Clear? Similarly, if as many number of expenses are given related to these names, you will write in all these particular column. If any expense whose name is not is according to the column, that expense is recorded under sundry expenses. After that, now come to the balancing. At the end of period or a week or a month, the total of the total column or individual expense column like postage, printing, cartage, okay, and sundry expenses is obtained. So total of payment column and total of all these particular column is obtained. It should be ascertained that total of various expense column is including expense column will be matched with total. Means total of all these columns till sundry expense will matched with total payment column. Okay. After that, when we deduct, after that when we do the total, then total expenses are deducted from the amount received. Okay, so like if we write here, so the total is 5,000, we write here, so total expense is 45. Okay, so neither expense is here, so I am putting dash blank mark. Okay, so total of payment side is 45 and this side is 5,000. So now I will deduct 45. Okay, and I will carry the balance like this by balance carry down and writing the amount by deducting 45 from 5,000. Okay, clear that how we will solve the sum relating to analytical petty cash book. So in my next class I will teach you that how we will solve numerical question related to this. Clear, students?